press the little car icon on the bottom left of your screen, then press locks and then press the plus sign to add a new phone key to your Tesla. Remember to always keep your Bluetooth on when you're using your phone as a key. Then launch the Tesla app on your phone and then press phone key and then press start, and the Tesla will start searching for your phone. To finalize adding your phone as a key to the Tesla, tap the Tesla key card here. Now your phone can be used as a key for the Tesla. So as long as you have your phone with you with the Bluetooth on, your Tesla will now recognize you walking towards the car, and as soon as you pull the door handle, the car will unlock automatically. Your Tesla is also drivable with the phone key. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more informative content like this in the future. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down in the comment section. You can also reach out to me on other social media platforms as TESLAPEG for direct messaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.